guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a planty type of person, you want to learn about plants, how to garden, if you want to watch somebody learn how to plant, hit the subscribe button and come hang out. Okay, so today I'm going to do a little terrarium maintenance. And I'm also going to make another terrarium. So this is my original terrarium. And it's actually doing really well. Only one plant that I originally put in here died and didn't make it. So I got a couple other plants that I'm going to put in here just to fill out the little back end because I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it's a little bare in the back. So I got a couple little, I guess they're like little starter plants I'm going to throw in there just to fill this guy out. And I finally finished another one of these pickle jars, and I'm gonna make another terrarium. This one's gonna be strictly Pepperomias. I think they're Pepperomias. I know most of them are Pepperomias. There's like two that I'm not 100% sure on, but they're all going into the next one. And I'm excited to see how it looks, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. So I will see you in a few. Okay guys, so I'm going to try to do this where I'm not blocking the view. I'm going to be using these sticks to try to move plants around. No guarantee it's going to actually work, but I'm going to try to do that so that you can actually see and my hand's not in the way. So the string of turtles isn't dead, and it is growing. You can see the little leaves right there, but I don't want it there anymore. And I think I'm going to move it, if I can move it, here we go, to the front. I made a little divot where I think it will get more sunlight. Okay, now that we've rearranged the original plants, I'm going to start putting in some of the new plants. So the first plant I'm going to show you is this guy. I already have one of these plants in there, but he's extra small and he's in the front, so I'm going to put this one in the middle to kind of make it look like a bigger plant. And it's also one of the shorter plants I got, so we're going to try to make like a steeped type of terrarium where the plants in the back are taller and larger than the ones in the front, so everybody gets light and everybody's happy. But I will show you, this guy has a little flower. He's pushed out a little flower. I've only had this plant for a couple days here. I don't think it's because he's so happy to be in my apartment. I actually think the plant is kind of stressed out because he came from a nursery that had higher humidity than my apartment. So he's probably freaking out and thinking he's dying, so he threw out a little flower. But don't worry, plant, we're putting you in a terrarium. You'll be okay. Alright, so I'm going to put this one right in the middle. I'm going to make a little hole with the little chopsticks, and we're good to go. Next one I'm going to put in is this guy. I've bought this guy before. He died within a week of being here. He really needs, I think, higher humidity. I'm not sure if it's a Pelia or a Pepperomia, so, but it's cute, and I think it'll look cute with these guys, so. Mess. Alright, so this is kind of what it looks like from the top now. Really, really cute. rid of this guy because he's so long and he's hanging out the thing. I'm going to cut him down right below a node, and I'm going to try propagating him. And we'll see how that works. Okay, so I cut this off. I'll probably get rid of these two bottom leaves, stick that in water, and see what happens. So I'll let the other guy get adjusted, but hopefully you can see this. I know there's a glare, but this is what it looks like in there. It's really cute. Alrighty guys, so that is our newer, updated terrarium. Let me know what you think. The plants I use make sense. If they didn't, let me know. Yeah, how do you think the string of turtles is going to be in here? I really hope they make it. But yeah, so we'll see. Alright guys, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.